Sarah smiling.
Oh, it's a video. Why are you making me smile? I thought it was a picture.
I said Sarah smiling for no reason. We doing waterfall.
Waterfall.
Ooh, waterfall.
Swimming.
I think my lips ashy. We are doing. I know them bitches dry.
Oh, you just cussed.
So
Who gonna look at it?
nobody.
I'm a model.
If that's what you want in life, you can be a model.
I'm too fat.
Yes, you are.
You too.
I know that's why I didn't say the curse word, model.
That's a cuss word.
Yeah.
You're a mess.
No, I'm not. Oh, my hair look long.
I love you, Mookie.
Love you too, Skooky.
Why they gotta be my name? That's ugly.
Look at it. I was trying to do.
Oh yeah, look, your hair look cute, like that behavior Indian hair.
Shut up.
Look, I like it. Yeah, so I guess it will look cute on me.
Come on, face.
This straight how they lying. So you guys who's watching this is straight hair. It calls. What?
Anyways, take to the side of it. It's gonna look funny. Sarah used to think that she wasn't fine enough. She used to think that she don't stop. You see me saying it, start over. Sarah used to think that she wasn't fine enough. Sarah used to think that she wasn't well enough.
The tear.
And now she gonna waste her time trying to figure out why she playing games, what it's all about. And she can't believe why it's hurting her. She mad, your girl, what a difference. What you see in her, you ain't seen in the other one. She guess it was all just make believe. Oh, love. Never knew what she was missing, but she know when she start kissing. Love you.